In this video, I'll guide you through how to post a video on Steam. This process only takes a few minutes and allows you to connect your YouTube account to Steam so you can share your videos with your friends and the wider Steam community. Follow along, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything set up and ready to go. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. If you're not already signed in, click the login button and enter your account name and password. Double-check that your login details are correct before selecting Sign In. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to your Steam homepage, where all of your account features are available. From the Steam homepage, look toward the top of the window and click on your username. This will open a drop-down menu containing several account-related options. From the list, select Content. This section is where Steam allows you to manage different types of content associated with your account, including screenshots, artwork, and videos. Once you're in the Content section, click on the Videos tab. Here you'll find the option to link your YouTube account. Select Link YouTube Account to begin the setup process. Steam will display a prompt asking for permission to access your YouTube videos. Continue by selecting the option to allow access so the two accounts can be connected. Depending on your account status, you may be prompted to sign into your YouTube account through your web browser. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the authorization process. Once you've successfully signed in and granted permission, Steam will automatically begin linking your YouTube account. If the linking page doesn't open correctly within the Steam client, don't worry. Return to your username menu and open the Content section again. Navigate back to the Videos tab, then right-click the Link YouTube Account option and choose to copy the page URL. Open your preferred web browser. Paste the copied address into the address bar and load the page. From there, click Link YouTube Account again and continue through the same authorization process. This alternative method can help if the Steam client has trouble opening the linking page directly. After you've completed the authorization, your YouTube account will be connected to your Steam account automatically. With the connection established, you'll be able to access your eligible YouTube videos through Steam and share them with your gaming community directly from the platform. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully linked your YouTube account and prepared your Steam account for posting videos. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the process simple and easy to follow. Enjoy sharing your videos on Steam, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.